Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress. Now the first thing you need to have is the free version. If you don't have it, just go to plugins, add new, search for Elementor and install it. And this is how it looks, the Elementor dashboard, when you have just the free version. You have some widgets and you have this Pro widgets log. You can see you still have some few ones that are really good that you can use, but if you want to use them all, you need to get the Pro, of course. Now what you have to do is you need to go to bgonlinesolutions.com/elementor and you want to go to this page. You can see this is the link. There's gonna be the link below as well, and this is actually my affiliate link. And this means that I'm gonna get a small commission when you purchase Elementor Pro, but this doesn't have any extra cost to you. But in addition to that, I want to help you even more, so stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm gonna show you how I can help you create an amazing website so you can basically have a website really fast and have something that actually convert users into clients for your business website. So as you can see, we have different plans here: the free, the personal, the plus, the expert. All of them, they have the same features. The only thing that changed is that the license. Here is for one site, for 3 sites, and for 1,000 sites. Now, if you need Elementor just for one website, choose the personal one. And this is something I really like. They have a 30-day money back guarantee for new purchases. So we're gonna select this personal plan. We're gonna click on buy now. Now, once you're here, it's super simple to fill out this information. Just put your email address, your name, your country, all this basic information. And you can choose to pay with a credit card or with PayPal, whatever is best for you. And when you click checkout, you want to go to a following page that is the next one. Okay, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go to Elementor. As I was saying, guys, when you create your Elementor account, you want to go to this dashboard. And here you want to see all the websites where you have installed Elementor Pro. In this case, I have several websites because I have the expert plan. But for you, you will have just one website. But at the beginning, you don't have any website because you haven't linked your account with WordPress. So we're going to do this right now. So we're going to go to this little arrow that you see here. We're going to click here to download the Elementor Pro zip file. That is basically the plugin. Once we have it downloaded, we're gonna go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, we're gonna go to downloads, and here is Elementor. We're gonna install now. Then you wanna click activate plugin. Once you do this, you wanna see this message pop up: connect and activate Elementor. If you don't see it for a random reason, you can always go to Elementor license and you wanna have the option to activate Elementor as well. So we're gonna do it from here. We're gonna click connect and activate and activate. And as you can see, I have Elementor Pro active in my website now. So if we go to Elementor on my sites, I want to refresh this page, and you want to see that I have this new website, training.bgonlinesolutions.com. That is the website that I just created for this video. And also, if we go to the sample page, we want to refresh this, and you can see that now you have the Pro elements unlocked. Now you can enjoy all the different features and potential that Elementor has to offer. You can see, guys, everything is unlocked now. Now I'm gonna tell you how I can help you even more. So if you purchase Elementor Pro with my link, you're gonna get my done for you business website template. Basically, this template includes the homepage, the services page, the contact page, about us page, the archive where you wanna show up all your blog posts if you plan to create a blog, and the single blog page template. This website template has a value of $997. Besides that, I'm gonna give you a training where I'm gonna teach you how to create your own profitable customer generating website. Because you need to understand, when you create a website for your business, you're not just creating something that look nice. You want a tool that's gonna help you get more customer, get more sales. And in this training, I'm gonna teach you how you can do that, the different elements that a service business website needs in order to convert users into clients. And this training has a value of $197. And also, I'm gonna give you my private Facebook group where you're gonna be able to interact with other members, ask questions, and I'm also gonna be there answer you the questions and doubts that you might have. And this Facebook group has a value of $497 with a total combined value of $1,691. And I'm gonna give you all this for free if you purchase with my link. That anyways, if you want to create something amazing, Elementor Pro is the best tool to get. So you need to use it anyways. So when you do that, you simply send us an email at support.jordanvelasquez.com with the email address you use to purchase Elementor, and I'm gonna send you the bonuses so you can start building something amazing for your business. And basically that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.